Have you ever wondered how to earn money online? In this digital age, the rise of the internet brought forth an entirely new arena of opportunities. It has transformed the world into a virtual marketplace, a global village, where the exchange of skills and services is seamless. Amongst the myriad of platforms offering opportunities to earn online, one has been creating ripples in the digital world, known as Microworkers. Microworkers is an innovative platform, recognized globally for connecting freelancers with businesses. It serves as a bridge, enabling collaboration on an array of tasks, offering a stage for freelancers to showcase their skills, to granting businesses access to a wide talent pool. Microworkers caters to a broad spectrum of needs. It's a digital marketplace where individuals can offer their skills, and businesses can benefit from a diversified range of talents to complete their projects efficiently. Whether it's data entry tasks or content creation, coding assignments, or graphic design projects, Microworkers is a hub of opportunities for everyone. It does not discriminate based on skill level. It provides a platform for professionals and novices alike. If you have a skill, Microworkers has a space for it. That's the beauty of this online platform. It embraces diversity and promotes inclusivity. Regardless of whether you're a seasoned freelancer, a professional looking to expand your reach, or a beginner desiring to dip your toes in the vast ocean of online work, Microworkers could be your next destination. The platform equips you with opportunities to utilize your skills, grow your network, and earn a living from the comfort of your own home. It's an ecosystem that fosters growth, learning, and progression. It's a world waiting for you to explore. Stay tuned to learn how to start earning from Microworkers. Getting started with Microworkers is as easy as 1, 2, 3. To unleash the power of this platform, the first thing you need to do is navigate to the Microworkers website. This is the online gateway that is going to introduce you to countless opportunities, and hence it's crucial to familiarize yourself with its layout. Start off by looking for the Register button. It's typically located at the top right corner of the web page, a spot that's designed for easy visibility. A single click on this will transport you to the registration page, your first step towards setting up your account. This page is essentially the gateway to your Microworkers journey. Here, you'll be asked to provide some elementary information. The first data field you'll encounter is for your email address. Remember, your email address isn't just a form of identification, it's a vital communication channel. It's the digital address where you'll receive job notifications, updates, and a plethora of important communications from the Microworkers team. More significantly, it's the destination where Microworkers send you instructions if you ever happen to forget your password, an occurrence that isn't as rare as you'd think. As such, make sure you enter an email that is not just valid, but is also one that you check frequently and have reliable access to. Next in line is the creation of your password. This isn't a mundane task. This is akin to forging the key to the treasure chest that is your Microworkers account, and by extension, your potential income stream. Hence, you want to ensure this key is as strong as possible. By strong, we mean it should be an intricate blend of letters, numbers, and symbols. The password should be lengthy, making it harder for potential hackers to guess. But while it should be complicated, it should also be something that you can recollect easily. A key is useless if the bearer can't remember it after all. After you've input your email and crafted a robust password, the next step involves agreeing to Microworkers' terms and conditions. This isn't a step to be glossed over. You definitely want to peruse these terms with a fine-tooth comb. Understanding what you're signing up for is paramount. Once you've filled in the required information and clicked on the Register button, you'll find a verification email in your inbox. This email serves to verify that the email address you provided is legitimate and indeed belongs to you. Open this email, look for the email from Microworkers, and click on the verification link. Congratulations! You've just set up your Microworkers account. But remember, this is just the curtain raiser. The real assignment begins now. Now that you're all set up, it's time to find some work. Navigating a new site can be daunting, but not to worry, we've got you covered. Welcome to an informative tour of the Microworkers site. The site is ingeniously structured to offer an intuitive, user-friendly interface. This means, with minimal effort, you'll quickly comprehend its layout and structure. Our site is a compilation of various sections, each meticulously designed to enhance your Microworkers journey. Let's delve the details. Our first stop is the dashboard. This segment serves as your personalized mission control center. The moment you log in, it's the initial screen that welcomes you. It offers a comprehensive summary of your account, presenting a panorama of your ongoing activities. Here, you'll see your existing balance, a tally of jobs you've successfully accomplished, and any alerts that require your attention. It's prudent to routinely check your dashboard. This habit will keep you informed about your progress and any significant information that may affect your activities on the site. Moving forward, let's examine the job listings. This is the segment where most of your time will be invested, browsing through an array of tasks posted by employers. The jobs are systematically cataloged into categories, streamlining your search for tasks that align with your skill set. Each job comes with details like a description of the task, the pay scale, and the number slots available. New jobs are frequently posted, so it's advisable to regularly revisit this section. The account settings section is the next part of our tour. This section is essentially your personal data management hub. Here, you are able to modify your email address, alter your password, and customize your notification preferences. Regularly updating your account settings ensures you are always in the loop about crucial Microworkers communications. Lastly, we encourage you to explore the site. We have a myriad of other sections such as the frequently asked questions, FAQ, providing answers to common queries, and the forum, facilitating interaction with fellow Microworkers. The secret to maximizing your Microworkers experience is staying involved and consistently reviewing the site. The more time you devote to understanding and navigating the site, the more familiar you'll become, leading to the discovery of more opportunities. Now that you know your way around, let's discuss how to pick the right jobs. With so many jobs available, how do you choose the right ones? That's a thought that frequently crosses the minds of new Microworkers users. Picking jobs is not about instantly opting for the best paying ones, but rather about striking a balance. You need to consider your skills, interests, the time you can devote, and the payout. Microworkers is a diverse platform, offering jobs ranging from straightforward tasks like data entry and surveys to more intricate ones like programming or writing. Every job requires a unique skill set. For instance, if you have a knack for writing, out for jobs that entail this skill. You'll finish them quicker, produce higher quality work, and find them more satisfying. Time commitment is another crucial aspect. While some might promise a good payout, they might also require several hours to complete, making them less worthwhile. Before you commit, it's essential to calculate your potential per hour. Then comes the payout factor. High-paying jobs might seem appealing, but they often demand more expertise and time. If you're a beginner, don't hesitate to accept lower-paying jobs. It's a way to gain experience, build your reputation, and climb the ladder of success. Also, pay attention to the job's feedback and ratings. These can provide you with insights about the quality of job. If a job has numerous negative reviews, it's advisable to steer clear from it. In the end, the trick to succeeding on Microworkers lies in choosing the right jobs. Select jobs that align with your skills and interests, and you'll not only earn money, but also find pleasure in your work. Remember, the key to success on Microworkers is picking the right jobs. Choose jobs that match your skills and interests, and you'll not only earn money, but you'll also enjoy the work you do. You've done the work, now it's time to get paid. Microworkers' payment process begins when your task enters review. Upon approval, your account is credited. Several payment methods are available, like PayPal and bank transfer. You can choose what suits you best. Microworkers has a minimum payout of $9. Payments are processed twice a week, so there's no long wait. Ensure your tasks are complete and timely, and you'll be rewarded soon. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to earning money on Microworkers. Start journey today and unlock a world of online earning opportunities.